From this moment, you don't need to worry about wasting your time switching between Blender and Photoshop, because with this plugin, you can make it in a few clicks. Initially, we created this plugin for our studio to speed up our texturing workflow. This add-on is so complicated that it literally has 2 buttons to edit externally and to load images. By default, I can just press F6 and I will move to Photoshop automatically. Here we can use any Photoshop features to improve or edit our texture. Let's use lasso selection. Then I will pick a regular soft brush, you can use any brush you want, and I will paint really bright gradients with it. Also, I would like to paint ambient occlusion here, just like this. And let's paint more details here. Then all we need is to press Ctrl S. Afterwards, in Blender, I can just press F5 to load our texture. As you can see, I got the result right away. And great thing about this plugin that we can paint anything in Blender. Of course, we can move the result to the Photoshop. All we need is to press F6. And it will update our texture automatically. We can go back to Blender, paint even more, press F6 once again, and press Update. And that's why this plugin will save you plenty of time and money, because you don't need to save your files manually, switching between programs and loading textures. Great thing that we can use any Photoshop features like recent AI tools. We can press Ctrl L to easily change the contrast and the brightness of our texture. We can press Ctrl B to change the color balance, whatever we want. And we just need to press Ctrl S. And now let's update our texture with one click. As I said, initially this plugin was made for the studio to speed up our texturing. And if you buy this plugin now, we will provide you with free updates in the future. You can find this plugin in the video description on Gumroad. To install it, you need to go to Edit, Preferences, and in Add-ons, find Photoshop Integration. Here you can select External Editor, who supports texturing or Photoshop version. That's all for this video. Hope you'll like our custom add-on.